Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abjit. Today I am telling a interesting topic, that is what is the difference between a normal bulb and a brand new smart bulb. First I will start with price. This bulb I bought for only 150 rupees in offline market, and this I bought for 200 rupees and in online market. Both difference is 50 rupees. In that 50 rupees we will get so many features. Now I will explain that all. So you should keep extra 50 rupees for buying this and you will enjoy this. Okay guys, let's start our episode. Okay guys, first you should start with design. Both are same, but this smart bulb is little bit longer and little bit thinner. This bulb is everyday company guys. Both are 10 watts only, color also white color same. And talking about this is little bit longer when compared to it, and both are same in looking, but little bit this is longer. Now when we kept this bulb into adapter, when we on, the bulb will simply on, and when we off, the bulb will simply off. That only. For that we should pay 150 rupees, and for 200 rupees when we kept this bulb to adapter, when we on the switch, suppose you are sleeping, you want to on the bulb, but you are lazy, then what should you do? You take off the phone and simply open switch app and on the bulb, means the bulb will automatically on. And suppose another example also there. If you are sleeping, if you want a bed light, then this is where 10 watts only. When we on this, so much light will become, and you want only little bit lighter, then you should decrease the brightness of Smith LED bulb, and you can use like bed light and tube light also, because this is very bright, 10 watts, and for normal uses also you can use. This is the second advantage of this Smith smart LED bulb. I will tell advantages and disadvantages of this and this also. Advantages of this means we no need Wi-Fi, and simply we can keep and we can on. And disadvantages are we can only use as bulb, we cannot use like bed light and tube light like that. And in this only white color will come, no orange color and blue color. Means blue and orange colors are warm color and cool color like that. Warm means when the sunlight will come into the room, how it will be then when we on this and keep it warm, the light will come like that. And cool means so white color, pure white, and normal white means both mix. In this only white color will be there. This is the again disadvantages. And these advantages are we can connect and we can operate wherever in the world. If you kept this bulb in Gudivada and you went to America, Australia, then if you open the phone and click on switch, the bulb will immediately on. And second advantages are you can fix timer. You are going out, you should on the bulb. Select timer, on bulb at 6 AM and off bulb at 6 PM. Like that you set means the bulb will automatically on at 6 AM and automatically off at 6 PM, which is the again advantage. And you can use as bed light, tube light I already told, and this you can change warmer, cooler or normal, like that you can change. This is the again advantage of this. And disadvantages of this means you need compulsory Wi-Fi. In so many homes they will use mobile data, Wi-Fi is not there, then this bulb will not work. And again disadvantages is when we open this and when we connect it to this bulb, it is facing some problem because it is not connecting to my Wi-Fi. I think this is bulb fault or my Wi-Fi fault, I don't know. But it is not connecting properly. So much time it took for connecting. At least 30 minutes it took for connecting. So that's why this is again disadvantages of this. And no, only two disadvantages. Advantages are so many more than 6 like that. And this disadvantages are 2 and advantages only 1. So this is 150, this is 200. If you keep extra 50 rupees and you can buy this bulb, I will recommend this bulb because nowadays in every home Wi-Fi is there. That's why I will use this only. What is your opinion? Comment below. So if you want normal bulb and or smart LED bulb, both are 10 watts only. I will recommend this bulb because it is coming at cheap rate, more features like that. But this bulb is only bulb coming at high price. 150 rupees means normal bulb very high rate. That's why if you have Wi-Fi, buy this. This is my request. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video.